Here are the personal pronouns. Listen carefully and try to repeat the pronunciation. Main, main. It's main. The N is nasalized vowel. It's not main. You don't have to pronounce the N. It's main. Main is I. Then in Hindi we have 3 levels of courtesy for the second person. The highest level is aap. Aap is used when you want to treat someone with respect or in a formal situation. For example, your parents, your grandparents, your elders, your bosses, your seniors, or a person you have recently met. Tum is the mid-formal form of saying you in Hindi. Tum is used with the people of the same generation, of almost similar age. While tu is only used with the people who are very close in your life. For example, your best friend, for example, your sibling of equal age or younger than you. I'm putting a red asterisk on tu because if you use tu with people who are not very close in your life, it will be considered disrespectful. So there are 3 forms: aap, tum and tu. Now the third person. In English we have he and she. In Hindi we don't have any equivalent for he and she. We rather use the equivalents for this and that. In Hindi we say ye for anything or anyone that is near to us, and wo for anything or anyone that is far from us. It can be he or she or it. Okay. Now talking about plurals. We is hum. Hum, a short sound, not harm, it's hum. And to say you plural, you can just add the word log to aap and tum. Log literally means people, and we use aap log and tum log to address more than one person. And at last, the plural of third person, which carries the same pronunciation as singular. Ye and wo, these and those. ठीक है? तो मैं, आप, तुम, तू, ये, वो, हम, आप लोग, तुम लोग, ये and वो.